Got grease? Well, have I got a cleaner for you. This is going to be my lemon degreaser, and it is fabulous. If you have a dirty cooktop, this is what you want to use. So easy. We're going to take 2 cups of water. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, it can be fresh, like I'm squeezing here, or it can be out of a bottle. And you're going to squeeze enough to get 2 tablespoons of it. Then we're going to use a ½ teaspoon of our Dr. Bronner's. And we're going to just squeeze it right in. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of baking soda. There we go. Put that in, and I want to give that just a little stir. Then we're going to put it in a spray bottle. Now, this will last under your sink for about 6 months or more. So let's pour it into our bottle, and remember, we're always using a labeled bottle. We don't want any mistakes made by using the wrong thing. There we go, and we're going to put our lid on. Now, if you've got a greasy cooktop, if you've got hamburger grease on your counter, whatever you have, this works. We're going to just give it a good squirt, just like that, and it's a spray and wipe. Now, if you have a lot of grease, wipe it with a paper towel. If you're just taking a little off and you like your microfiber cloths, use that, and it is so good. So this is my favorite lemon degreaser. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.